What's up guys, I'm Kaiden Johnson 91 and today I want to show you guys around my Chevy Express van. So first up we have these awesome Light Force lights with our worn winch. And then we have this awesome bumper that I love because you can see there's like goldenish and blackish. And there's some Light Force lights down there. Let's see what else there is. This also has our awesome coilover kit that my dad built like maybe a year ago. But it looks pretty cool on the van. And it makes the van ride nice. So yeah. Don't mind the bird poop on the windshield. So you can see I've been off-roading in this van a lot. You can see all this dirt everywhere. And my dad's working, so he doesn't know. So something I like about these rock sliders is because I can get in really easily. So you step on that, and then you open the door. Easy. But the other thing I love is I love the well-checked design symbol. And then there's another part about this van. These Method race wheels. Now, thank you Method for these awesome race wheels. They look awesome on the van and they really match the van. Also, I want to thank Toyo Tires for giving us these awesome wheels. I love them and they really match the van because the van is like blackish and they're blackish. Well, apparently every wheel is black, but I love these. They're really nice. So my dad really loves these. Look, these. He really loves this rooftop pet. As you can't see it, but we have never got to use it before. That's what I am not using. I did not never want to sleep over it. Too scary. How would I even get out? So if you see, it's hard to see this perfect awning. And we use it to work on my cars. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to Growing Up Garage and maybe you could check out one of my racing videos. But what's cool about this awning? Every time we go to races, we use it. And we get shade when we're working on our cars. So I'd like to thank Titan Fuel and Tanks because I can fill up my mini dwarf at the racetrack. So I can control all the lights in this Chevy van. So here's all the switches so we can do that one. This one. Okay, let's do this one. I don't know what that one is. What is that one? Look at that. I don't see that. So we can do roof 1. We can do roof 2. And I don't know what that one is. Whoa, I like that one. I would also like to thank Brand Motion for this awesome rear camera. Oh look, there's my dad! He's funny. So I love this seat because it reclines. I can lay back. Also because I can move my seat. Now, there we go. So that was weird. Okay, so that was weird. Okay. This seat looks really weird now. I was like, oh, here, it's right here. That's not it. Buttons of the seat. Oh, there we go. Watch. So we go with this. Okay, I can show you. Watch. Go like this. You roll it back. Roll it back. Forward. It's like a choo-choo train. That reclines. Alright guys, it is getting dark. Sun's going down, you can't really see it. It's cloudy. But we're gonna wrap up this video. Before we wrap it up, I'm Kaiden Johnson from Growing Up Garage. Make sure you check out my Instagram and YouTube channel so that I can get tons of more subscribers. So that I can win with my dad. Because my dad already has like 2,000 something. So I'll see you guys later.